Have you ever told someone what is right, but struggled to do it yourself? In the gospel today, Jesus says, they preach, but they do not practice. Those words are not meant to shame us. They are meant to wake us up gently. You know, it is easy to speak about patience, but lose our temper at home. Easy to talk about prayer, but forget to pray. Easy to correct others, but ignore our own hearts. Jesus is not asking us to be perfect. He is asking us to be sincere. The greatest among you must be your servant. See, true greatness is not about titles. It is about quiet love. It is about serving your family without applause. It is about doing small things for God alone. So, this Lent, let us live what we believe, not for attention, not for praise, but for love. Walk humbly with God because He sees every small act of love. Amen.